American Flag Signs has developed a distinctive finishing process for their rustic wooden flags known as aging grime. This innovative technique includes the incorporation of authentic mud sourced from the Mississippi River. By using real mud from this iconic river, American Flag Signs is able to authentically replicate the weathered and aged appearance of the flags. This process adds a genuine touch to each flag, enhancing its rustic charm and creating a unique aesthetic, thus transforming it into a relic. The incorporation of mud from the Mississippi River not only adds character and depth to the flags, but also pays homage to the rich history of this great country. The DNA of America is in every crack and crevice of our flags. Visit us at AmericanFlagSigns.com for more information and perhaps find a flag of your very own.